Dealers mark up interest rates by 3 full percentage points and pocket the difference. That's $2,000 straight from your wallet. There's a single sentence you can say in the finance office that cuts through every trick they'll try. I'll give you that exact sentence, but first you need to understand why dealerships are legally allowed to do this. Here's what happens when you walk into a dealership without a plan. You negotiate the car price down. You feel good. Then they send you to finance. Suddenly, there are 7 new charges you've never heard of. Documentation fees, advertising fees, preparation fees. Your interest rate is 8.62% when it should be 3.68. By the time you sign, you've lost $4,000. And here's the worst part. Most people don't even realize they overpaid until years later. The dealer got their commission. The finance manager hit their bonus. And you're locked into a 69-month loan that costs $12,000 in interest alone. Let me show you how the system actually works. Dealers have something called rate markup authority. A bank approves you at 4%. The dealer is allowed to quote you 6% and keep the difference. It's called dealer reserve. Completely legal. The finance manager has a chart on their computer. Excellent credit, 750 plus. They can offer you 2.96%, but they'll start at 5.5 and negotiate down, making you think you got a deal. Now here's the trick they don't want you to know. Those dealer fees, documentation fees, freight charges, advertising fees, most are negotiable or can be waived completely. The prep fee? Your car was already prepped. That's dealer profit disguised as a service charge. And every optional add-on they pitch in the finance office, gap insurance, extended warranties, credit insurance, you can buy all of those outside the dealership for 40% less. But they present it like it's part of the package. It's not. So how do you beat this? There's a specific order you need to negotiate in. Get this wrong and you lose leverage. Step 1. Before you ever walk into a dealership, get financing quotes from 3 sources. Your bank, a credit union, and an online lender. This takes 2 hours and saves you thousands. Write down your best rate. That's your leverage. Step 2. Research your trade-in value on 3 platforms. Be brutally honest about condition. Minor cosmetic damage drops value fast. Know your number before they lowball you. Step 3. Time your purchase strategically. End of month, end of quarter, end of year. December 31st is the single best day to buy a car because dealers are desperate to hit annual quotas. Step 4. Negotiate the vehicle price first. Only the vehicle price. Don't mention your trade-in. Don't mention financing. Don't let them calculate monthly payments. Those are separate negotiations. Get the lowest out-the-door price on the car itself. Once that's locked in, then reveal you have pre-approved financing. Now, they have to beat your rate or you walk. Step 5. Go through every single fee line by line. Ask them to justify each one. Documentation fees? Ask them to reduce it. Advertising fees? That's their business expense, not yours. Request removal. Here's the sentence I promised you. When they quote you an interest rate in the finance office, you say this exact phrase. What rate did the lender actually approve me for? Watch what happens. Most finance managers will suddenly find a better rate. That one sentence just saved you $2,000. Let me walk you through a real scenario. Purchase price $35,000. Credit score 720. The dealer quotes 6.2% on a 72-month loan. Sounds reasonable, right? Wrong. With excellent credit, you should get 3.5% maximum on a $35,000 loan. The difference between 6.2 and 3.5% is $3,100 over 6 years. Now add the $1,200 in negotiable fees they try to sneak in. The gap insurance for $800 that costs $300 elsewhere. The extended warranty for $2,000 that you don't need yet. Total overpay, $7,400. Same car, same loan. $7,400 left on the table because they didn't know these steps. Now someone with fair credit, scores 670, will pay more. That's reality. Average APR for fair credit on a new car is 6.75%. Used car, 10.33. But even then, you shop around. Credit unions often beat dealer rates by 1 to 2 full points for the same credit score. Here's the advanced play. Increase your down payment to lower your rate. Larger down payment means lower loan-to-value ratio. Banks see less risk. You get better terms. A $5,000 down payment versus $2,000 can drop your rate by half a percentage point. Over 60 months, that's another $500 saved. Second advance move? Choose the shortest loan term you can afford. Yeah, monthly payments are higher, but an 84-month loan versus a 48-month loan costs you $4,000 more in total interest. Last thing, know your legal protections. Lemon laws cover new cars in every state. Some cover used. If your car has serious defects the dealer can't fix after reasonable attempts, they must replace it or refund you. But this only applies to cars sold with warranties, not as-is sales. The Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act is federal protection for any written warranty. If they violate warranty terms, you have legal recourse. So here's what you do today. Get 3 financing quotes before you shop. Research your trade-in value. Mark your calendar for end of month. Walk in with your pre-approved rate and that one sentence ready. Negotiate vehicle price only, then fees, then everything else. You just save $5,000 to $7,000. That's the difference between knowing how the game works and being the one they profit from. Use this information. It works every single time.